Okay everyone, Gravel Gertie Homestead here. My name's Laura. I bought these at Dollar Tree in Nevada, Missouri, and I am using them on my greenhouse. Makes a great window closure. I can open my windows up whenever I need to let air flow in. One package does one side, so 2 per area. I learned it from Jessie on Plot 37 on YouTube. Very intelligent young lady. Thank you for the idea, Jessie. If you haven't checked her out, check her out. She's really a good teacher. But I'm going to use this on my greenhouse, and I think it'll allow for airflow through there when it gets warm, so that I don't get too hot in there, my plants don't get too hot. I think it's going to be a good idea. Thank you. Y'all like and share Gravel Gertie. Appreciate it. Thank you.